Hey everybody. Oh, I don't know if you can see us. Hold on. Hold on. I may have to hold this. Let's see. Oh, I don't know. We're just going to be half-faced. How's that? You get one eye, I get one eye. Anyway, okay. Good morning, everybody. So this is Leah and
Rhonda
with the venue at Lilly Lou's. So we are here talking about, this is weird. I can't feel like I feel like I can't see everybody. Okay. So we're here talking about what to expect when you purchase our in-house DJ services. So real quick, number one, if all of you are not aware, we do have in-house DJ services. I don't know why.
We're sorry.
I'm so sorry. You guys, y'all are just going to get half-faced on us. I'll zoom it in over here, and then she talks.
As long as you get the information.
Yeah. So, okay. So, and we need one of those little sticks.
We need a stick. We need a selfie stick so we can put it out there away from us.
And we're out of town, and so
we need our lighting because
we have pretty outside. Do you guys see that? So that's so pretty. Okay, anyway, so we're gonna go back. I don't know. I forgot what we're talking about.
DJ. Well, our in-house DJ offers
what to do.
Just talk.
Okay, y'all.
For the love of all this, just talk.
Okay, so our in-house DJ. So we're on DJ month. We're no longer on alcohol month.
Thank goodness.
We need to be on alcohol month. But anyway, okay. So DJ can be available for ceremony and reception. So our DJ can do both. You can pick and choose. You don't have to use the DJ for ceremony. You can just have reception, or you can vice versa, whichever. Also, we have had some brides ask about, can we still have our own DJ come in if you want to choose your own DJ? Yes, we still refer. I'll just give a shout out to one, and one being Tanner Coates. We love Tanner. He knows that. So we do refer Tanner a lot. He is always welcome. So we're not, you can still bring your own DJ if you want.
It's easy because if you use ours, he's there. He's on site. But yeah, you can bring.
Right.
You can still do your own vendors.
And just so you know, our DJ, one is my husband, Mike Capper, who knows how to do the lighting and the music and all that. And then Lane is the one going to be the face of everything. So Lane is young, but I think Lane has actually done some...
I think he's done some things at school.
And some movies. I heard he was some extras in some movies. So, hey.
He's great.
Lane may be a star one of these days, so you may get to know a movie star.
Hey,
so
Lane,
anyway, hey Lane, if you're watching. So that's one thing. The DJ can be available for your ceremony or your reception. Everything is on site and exclusive to Lilly Lou. So what makes it great is if we set it all up, you can come and see it. And a lot of times we're there or they're there for rehearsal. So that makes it nice too. So just really nice that it's already on site. The next thing is you have a choice of different packages. Lights, you can do lights. You can do more lights. You can do less lights.
And yeah, if you look at our website and look at the packages that we have put together, the kind of all-inclusive.
Hey, Juliet, how are you?
Hey. He's built in the pricing there. So that package includes, I think it's the 10, the 15, and the 20. So you don't even have to worry about it. He's already...
Hey, Morgan.
He's already there. So
yes.
That's great.
Yes, so that it is nice, the micro weddings. And I'm going to just talk to you a little bit about micro weddings. So we love those right now. Those are really nice because it's 50 or below. And we can spread people out. You can still have a great time. DJ is included in the micro weddings. You can look at that on our website. The detailed information, again, is on our website, and it's broken down, as well as our $10,000, $15,000, and $20,000 packages. And then the other thing that the DJs do, or Mike and Lane, they work really close with the coordinator. And then they also make the announcements based on your timeline. So, for example, if you want your wedding party to be announced as they're coming in, they can do that. Am I forgetting anything?
I don't think so.
As far as announcements, time to eat, dismiss tables.
They help with the timeline, making sure everything happens, working with the coordinator. So I think, yeah, that's pretty much it.
And then they just kind of work the show. If you want a DJ to be kind of involved and I don't know.
I think our DJs are good with that.
Yes. Well, Lane will dance. Lane will get out there and get your party started. He's great. Like I said, he's young. He is working with Mike a lot, but he will be our face. And and he is amazing. I've seen him out there already with one of the weddings, and he was dancing, and I think he will teach your guest how to do the electric slide for sure. So, oh, hey, Jeremy. Oh, thank you. He says y'all so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Well, we got the lighting behind us. It's probably not.
We're trying.
Probably not right, but
My ponytail's not quite high enough.
it's
okay.
all good. Okay. I did get these new earrings. Look at these new earrings.
So
While we're out of town.
cute.
Oh, these are. Do you see those? I love them. I think they're so cute.
I
Anyway.
watched somebody make those
Yeah,
on
I like them.
on Facebook Live or something,
Yeah.
and the way they cut them off and everything, it's the coolest
Yeah,
thing.
they're
Anyway,
fun. Anyway, that has nothing to do with DJ. So,
sorry.
what else are we gonna talk about?
Well, look at your notes and let's see.
Oh, okay. Never mind. I was gonna tell what we did last night, but that's okay.
What did we do?
About getting in the hot tub, it was so much fun. We
Oh,
just needed
don't tell that.
We just needed. Well, she almost sunk underneath water, but it was fun. And sometimes you just have to break away. It was one of those weeks where it was spur of the moment. We needed to break away. So every once in a while you need that downtime, and that's why we're holding this phone weird, and that's why you're seeing half of my face and half of her. But we just needed to break away, and then we come back and have a fun wedding this weekend. So it'll all be good. I don't think there's anything else that I can think of.
I don't think so. I think that was kind of the highlights of everything. The DJ equipment is really cool that we have.
Yes.
I think she mentioned before, you can get the packages where it's more lighting, less lighting. The full package is a light show, I guess.
Yes.
It feels like, because it's just really, it has a lot with it. So, I mean,
Yes.
you can make those decisions and, however much you want and what your budget's going to allow.
Right.
So,
If you want gobos, things of that nature, certainly let us know.
definitely talk to Mike
Yes,
and
and
let him
Lane.
know kind of what you have in mind, what you would like, what you
Yes.
want to include in that, because it has a lot of things
Yes.
that we probably haven't even scratched the surface on some of the things it'll
Right.
do. So
No, I have no clue because
I
I
don't
barely know how to use my phone. Oh, I will tell you
clearly
though.
we're not very good.
No. Well, I will tell you real quick. So what was I going to say? I am struggling, y'all. My
don't know.
gosh. Oh my gosh. I had coffee and everything. What was something I was going to say about the DJ, and it just literally just went south. Squirrels. I'm telling you, I got squirrels. What was I going to say? Something about the DJ.
I don't know.
Well, I won't keep you. I don't know. It was something.
Definitely contact us and talk to us about what we have to offer.
Oh, I know what it was.
What?
It hit me. Okay, so I was going to tell you also the DJs, our in-house DJ, Mike and Lane, know where to hook up. That's so important. We will already have everything set up and hooked up. And the other thing is, we were just talking to a vendor the other day, and she knows who she is if she hears this conversation. So she was talking about, everybody has to be out. Vendors have to be out at a certain time. You can't stay past, like if your time is at 11, you need to be out. Well, if your vendors aren't packed up and getting out, sometimes brides get billed for that on their
That's a good point. Yeah.
yes, on their when you pay your deposit.
Yes.
So, I swear,
Yeah.
it's a struggle.
But that is a good point, because
Yes.
I think most places now are kind of getting strict with, the out time.
Yeah.
Because, and the reason is, it's not that they're being, hard to deal with. It's they have people coming in to clean.
Right.
And so those people are on a schedule, and so they need to get in and start doing what they need to do, and that's the reason for it. It's,
Right.
It's just because there's a timeline that they're going
Right.
by as well. So.
Right. So if your DJ takes until 12 o'clock to break down, you're going to get billed for that, because the venue is going to keep either your deposit, or you're going to get charged so much per probably every 30 minutes.
Because they're getting billed.
Right, because
By
they're
somebody.
getting billed. So everybody's getting billed by somebody. We have cleaners that come in. So that's one thing. If our DJ is there, clearly he can leave his stuff there and doesn't have to break down. And if he does have to break down, it's in-house. So anyway, Jeremy just sent us a little message and said, keep going for 5 minutes. Jeremy, are you hearing me? Do you see me struggling? If I go 5 more minutes, these people are going to put me in a home. I don't think I've got 5 minutes in me. Anyway, not sure why he said that, but I guess it's all marketing. I don't know. So the other thing I wanted to share with you real quick, and we didn't talk about this, but some people don't understand. Just do it. Okay, Jeremy, I got you. I got you. So some people don't know about these lives. And so what I want to do is talk to you a little bit what the lives are, where they're coming from. We have a page called
DIY.
she's going to pull it up for you, and I'm going to
Hold
talk to
on.
you about it, because we get on here and some people are like, well, we don't even know what you're talking about. Well, we didn't either when we started. Really, we didn't have a clue, but it's called DIY Wedding and Bridal Hacks with the Venue at Lilly Lou's. And so what happens, there's questions there. And as those questions, as you join that group, you become part, well, obviously you become part of the group. And it's nice because we do tips and DIYs for your weddings.
And I think there's weekly questions for the month. I think there's a question, and so it goes into depth about different things.
See, we don't know what we're
We
doing
don't know,
yet,
but
we know we have a DIY.
But you probably saw Amber talk about
Yes.
last week about DJ and live
Yes.
band. So those are things, you might not have thought about, and you're like, well, maybe, but like, okay, so I think she mentioned, for example, space. A live band might take up a lot of space because they're going to have a lot of equipment to set up.
Right.
So that might be something that you think about that you might not have even considered. So,
Right. So basically, if you join that group, the DIY group, what happens is we answer those questions live weekly. We're supposed to do it on Tuesdays. Clearly, that never happens because I don't know what it is about Tuesday. I don't like Tuesday. Does anybody out there like Tuesday? If you do, give me a thumbs up. So anyway, that's what the DIY is, and that's why we're coming on here and we do lives.
We're day late.
We're a day late. My arm's getting a cramp in it, y'all. I'm going to try to put this here. Ooh. Okay. We're just going to have to get close. Get your head close. Because I can't hold that any longer. I was getting a cramp in my arm. What was I going to say? Oh, the DIYs. And let's see, what else?
I don't know.
There was one more thing I wanted to talk about, and I can't think. I think I'm excited about going to shop. I really just want to hop off here, y'all, and just tell you to go to the DIY, join it, like it, and then we'll answer your questions. We will hope not next week. We won't sound like blooming idiots, but we do know we have an in-house DJ, and we have a lot of fun. Like when he hooks up and he turns on the music, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
We've learned how to do a few
say-
dances. Although, I gotta tell him. Okay, that dance. So when we had our open house,
I didn't do that.
Amber did a video of everybody dancing, and Morgan was dancing. All these beautiful girls were dancing, and oh my God, y'all, there I was in that little blue dress. I'll never wear it again. And I looked like a hunchback. Did you see me trying to dance? My back was all hunched over. What in the world was I doing? If y'all want to see something funny, go back and look at that video. It is a hoot. Literally. And why? Why did I even get in the mix of all those lovely ladies? Because they were beautiful.
They were
Beautiful women.
all
and
of them.
there I was, hunched
You
over.
looked
I looked
fine.
like a hunched over. Anyway,
She didn't.
so that's our DIYs. They're
You
a
did
lot
say
of
something
fun.
about the questionnaire, didn't you?
Oh,
Because you will get this, and this is very
we are
important.
going to go 5 minutes, Jeremy. Look
Yes.
at this. Look at us go. This is important. I'm gonna try to show it to you. Let's see.
And this is great. It's a little long,
Yes.
but
See
it's
this?
worth filling out.
Okay, there's one page. I've got it down to 12 pages. So I'm just going to give you little tips of what it says. So it's a DJ questionnaire, and this is how much we love our brides, because this was handed over when we bought the system. This was handed over to us from buying the system, and he sent it over. I gotta send him a check. Anyway, so it says DJ questionnaire. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of your day, and it gets your the bride's names, the groom's names, all your ceremony. Is it indoors? Is it outdoors? Your reception, is it indoors? Is it outdoors? What songs do you want played? What songs do you want played during ceremony, during reception? What songs do you want played for your groom and your officiant entrance, bridesmaids entrance? It is a very detailed breakdown of everything that you could possibly want. Cocktail hour, what do you want played during cocktail hour? Now, I'm just going to tell y'all, during open house, we had Rachel. Hey, Rachel, if you're out there.
Mhm.
She's the Chattanooga harpist, I think is what she calls Rachel Payne, Chattanooga harpist or something like that. I know it's Rachel. And she is a harpist, and she was out on our courtyard area, and y'all, it was the most relaxing thing I've ever. I just wanted to sit out there, and I couldn't because I was at the front door because I was greeting people coming in, and that's a hard job. And then Jeremy's over there. Did you book them? Did you book them? And I'm like, I don't know, Jeremy. Right now, I'm so stressed. But anyway, so I went out there, and I could have sat there all day.
Yeah.
So if you ever think about something different, like during cocktail hour or making your guests feel really, I don't know, just relaxed and inviting and warm, bring on a harpist, Rachel. We'll hook you up. I've got her information, I've got her cards, and I've got her phone number. So much needed. I mean, she was amazing. Anyway, so back to this DJ questionnaire. I feel like you can't see you.
Well,
so anyway, back to the DJ questionnaire. Then it just I mean, it's a lot of information. It says, will the bridesmaids be escorted by the groomsmen? And so that's kind of, it's just a lot.
It's just part of what the DJ offers.
Yeah.
Of getting everything coordinated for you.
Yeah.
And I think you said, he can be available to be at ceremony site and reception. So talk to him about that.
And we have the lapels. Some people ask, do you have a lapel for your minister? Yes, we got it. Do you have a microphone? Yes, if you wanted. So we have a wireless microphone. So if you wanted to pass it down the table for your groomsmen, your bridesmaids to make a speech, I'd probably limit that. Know your people. Don't give it to somebody that you're going to stress about, because that can happen. They might go off on you might have some odd speeches out there. But anyway, let's see what else.
I think that's pretty much everything I can think of.
I seen a question. Joyce popped up a question, but it went away, and I don't know how to get it back, and I'm not touching this phone. Oh, what does the in-house TJ offer? Well, what? We just talked about that for 10 minutes. I'm not going another 5 minutes, Joyce.
I think we've covered it. I mean, definitely, if you have other questions, give us a call.
If you want to, and we're gonna have them on. Oh, so we're gonna have the DJ. Let me just say, Mike and Lane will have them on doing a live, and maybe even doing a sample of the system. I don't want to speak for them, but
that would be good, though.
That would be really nice to show you guys. And again, it's a new thing for us. We're gonna learn as we go. We're probably not going to be perfect starting out, but we are going to have a lot of fun, and we're going to make sure your wedding guests have a lot of fun, and we're going to play the music that you want played and go from there. I think that's everything.
That's it.
So we're hopping off because we're going to go shopping. We're going to buy some more earrings. Really. I think I'm going to go get some more. Oh, okay. What was that? Oh, Joyce sent a message. She said, LOL. That was when we started the live. I'm sorry, Joyce. It said 3 minutes ago. Have we been on that long?
We've been on a minute. I think it's time for us to go.
Okay, we got to go.
We got to go.
Bye-bye, y'all. Have fun today. Bye.